Right, I just got this car as part exchange from the person who bought the Ford Focus. They wanted £1,000 for it. The car retails for 4,000, but I offered them £750, and I will show you exactly why. The bodywork is really bad. It's really bad. I mean, before that, the car has already been to the workshop. We already had a MOT done, and you only needed brake pads and brake discs and 2 anti-roll bars. So you had a fresh service. Pretty much mechanically is in really good condition, but the bodywork is really bad. Look at this. Not sure if you can see it properly. It's shocking, honestly. I took the car off them because they seemed like nice people, and they didn't know what to do with the car. They had it for 10 years. Look how deep that is. Also, the boot lid has been replaced, because this one is a reddish color, dark red or something like that. Not sure if you can see that in the video, and it says DCI, and this is a petrol. Look at the rear bumper. It's shockingly bad, and here's got a big dent. This has been painted previously. Everything is falling off. Very dull paint on this side. The bodywork looks really bad. Look at the door. That's through the paint. Also, the roof has got some rust there. That needs to be done, and a few dents here and there. Now, I've just been to the body shop, and oh yeah, and the front bumper needs to be done, and here's got some really bad scratches. I mean, to be honest with you, for an 08 plate, it's quite expensive, but the only reason is that expensive is because it's automatic, and that's the only reason it's worth this much, to be honest with you. Me personal, I wouldn't pay £4,000 for a 2008 Nissan Qashqai. But that's not all. The interior is shocking as well, so this car is going to need a lot of love. Look at that. Ignore my lunch. Oh, I didn't even see that one when I bought the car. To be honest with you, I'm feeling a bit sorry that I got it, because it needs so much work doing, and don't even know if I'll be able to sell it for the full price. Look at that. So it's definitely going to be an interesting video prepping this car. But hey, it had personalized number plate. It's been changed now. But to be honest with you, if it was me, I would have done the bodywork first and then get a personalized number plate. I'm going to show you the engine bay as well. That one is shocking as well. There's the driver's side. I'm not sure I'm going to restore this. Oh, and it has a cover on the steering wheel. I took it off to have a look, and look how bad it is. So I'm going to restore the steering wheel. And there's the engine bay. Look at that. So luckily mechanically is fine for now, so hopefully it will stay like this. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video about this car. Well, I forgot to mention that I've been to the body shop and everything is going to cost me £800. So the bodywork is going to cost me £800 for the amount of work that he's doing. I don't think it's too bad, but I don't know, let's see what happens. Just hope the car is going to sell quickly and won't be losing my ass on it. But after everything is done, I still have about £2,000 margin. Even if I sell it for 3,000, I'm still going to be happy, but I'll try to sell it for the maximum price. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna be prepping this. The car is going in the body shop on Monday. No, sorry, the Hyundai goes on Monday. This one probably gonna be on next Wednesday, and today is Tuesday, so the car will be parked for another week before I can start prepping it, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It's been about 2 weeks or a bit more than that since I took the first footage when I done a walk around the car. The car was meant to go into the body shop, which was costing me about £800 to get it sorted. But in the meantime, I spoke to a family friend, and she said she needs a car for her dogs. She's got 4 lovely dogs, or 5. I'll put a video here. And she said she just needs a car for her dogs, so she's not worried about the bodywork and everything. The car's been to the MOT, it passed, it drives really well. I think it's the perfect car for her. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take it quickly to the car wash. I'll get it washed inside and out, and then I'm just gonna dress the interior, and I'll clean the engine bay, and then that's it. She can collect the car. So I bet her dogs will be happy. Now, they've done a pretty good job at the car wash. I paid £28 for this, inside and out. Outside, I'm happy with that. It's not too bad. Obviously, I could have done a better job. The interior is not that clean. The dashboard, look at that. It's not that clean. They haven't done a really good job on here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna record that. Just gonna show you the before and after. So I'm just gonna give this a clean with a multi-purpose cleaner, hopefully to get out all those stains, and then dress it. And I'm gonna do the same for the engine bay, which is shocking. Here you go. It's really bad. Now, I just want to show you the difference between the side I've done and the side that's been done by the car wash. Now, bear in mind, I put like a line here, but this side is still being cleaned by me with the multi-purpose cleaner, but this side is being dressed as well. So I just want to show you the difference between getting it done yourself or getting it at a car wash. And bear in mind, I paid £28 for it, so it's not a cheap one. So look at the difference. Here you can see better. Look on this side compared to that side. Now you tell me in the comment section which side looks better. Same here, this side or that side. Well, obviously this is gonna dry. It looks a bit greasy now. I didn't wipe it off with a clean cloth, but I think it's a big difference. Look on this side, okay, compared to this side, which has been cleaned with just normal products. Right, so I've done the interior in the engine bay. Just gonna show you quickly the interior, which looks 10 times better. I haven't done the seats because she said she's gonna put some covers on. It doesn't really matter. This is the door, and look at this. Compare that one to this one. Look at the fabric and everything compared to that. Looks better in person than on the camera. And then we got the engine bay. Didn't spend too much time on it, to be honest with you. 5 minutes max, but it looks a lot better. Much better. And by the way, this car is a part exchange from the person who bought the Ford Focus. You can remember it from my previous videos. Now unfortunately the car broke down after 4 days. We tried to fix it, long story, and I had to refund the money back to the customer. So the car is coming back in a couple of days, so I'm gonna do a full video when the car comes back with what went wrong and how we tried to fix it. So I'll catch you up on the next one.